Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice, interesting exponential equations where we have minus 2 to the power of x equals 2. So we want to solve this problem. So what to do first here is, suppose I introduce logarithm to both sides as log minus 2 to the power of x equals log 2. So having this, by applying the properties of logarithm, we have x log minus 2 equals log 2. And when we divide both sides by log minus 2, we have x equals log 2 divided by log minus 2. And which we can simply rewrite this as log of 2 base minus 2. So when we get the value of x like this doesn't make any sense. So this logarithm does not exist. So which means we cannot apply this method. So what we do here is, by considering from the real questions, which is minus 2 to the power of x equals 2. So by writing this as minus 1 multiplied by 2 all raised to power of x equals 2. And we know that by rule of exponent, minus 1 we take on the power of x, then multiply by 2 we also take on the power of x. Everything equals 2. And with what we have here, we have to recall that anytime we have minus 1 in a complex space, it is given as e to the power of I multiplied by pi. So that is in a complex space values. Then we have to replace it. So by replacing minus 1 with exponential I pi, so we have e to the power of I pi, then all raised to power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x. This equals 2. So we have to multiply I pi x together according to the rule of indices. So we have e to the power of I pi x multiplied by 2 to the power of x equals 2. And next we have, let's try to introduce logarithm to both sides. So by introducing the natural log of e to the power of I pi x, and if I bracket this, multiply by 2 to the power of x equals ln 2. So we have to apply the rule of logarithm at this point by changing this multiplication to addition, as we have ln e to the power of I pi x plus ln 2 to the power of x equals ln 2. And with this one, ln and exponent, they are inverse to each other. They cancel each other whenever they meet. And here we have I pi x plus, and also with this one, by applying the rule of logarithm, we take x down. So by taking x down, we have x ln 2 equals ln 2. And next, since we need the value of x, we have to factor out x. So by factoring out x, and in the parentheses, when we divide I pi x by x, we have only I pi plus, and we divide x ln 2 by x, we have ln 2, then everything equals ln 2. So let's try to divide both sides by I pi plus ln 2 so that we get the value of x that we want. So this and this cancelled each other. Then we have x equals ln of 2 divided by I pi plus ln 2. And here is the result that satisfies this problem. As the problem is not real, the solution is not the real, and the solution is complex, and this is the value of x. So we just write it that x is a member of complex and solution is in a complex space. So this is how to solve this. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and if we are new here to this channel and we find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and comment your other methods you can use to solve this. Thanks for watching, and don't stop learning. See you in the next class. Bye bye.